Morning YouTube, and welcome to another flight review of It's Time to Fly Again with Mark. So we just arrived the British Airways flight from Amsterdam to London Heathrow on the Boeing 767-300ER. And now hopefully we'll catch the connection, which is in about 45 minutes, onwards to Athens, which also should be on the Boeing 767-300ER. This time we'll be sitting a little bit more in the back. And it's going to be a bit longer flight, and probably also it was my last flight on the BA Boeing 767-300. Thankfully I still have a few more 767 flights after it. Anyhow, sit back, relax, enjoy, and we'll see each other at the end.
Cabin crew, would you please select all doors to automatic, cross-check and stand by for the safety demonstration.
This includes the washrooms, which are fitted with smoke detectors. E-cigarettes are not permitted either.
And wizard pipes, eh?
Full compliance. Wizard pipes are completely out.
In the unlikely event of the aircraft having to make an emergency landing,
welcome to Athens. The local time here is 5:35. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. You may now make and receive calls as well as use all data services on your handheld electronic devices. When it is safe to leave your seats, take care when opening overhead lockers, as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. Before leaving the aircraft, please make sure you have all your personal belongings with you. And remember that smoking is not allowed until you have reached a designated area. All of us at British Airways and the One World Alliance would like to welcome home our customers who live here in Athens and wish those of you visiting for business or leisure an enjoyable stay. If you are traveling on further, we wish you a safe onward journey. It has been our pleasure to look after you, and we look forward to welcoming you back again very soon.
Cabin doors to manual and cross check, please. Thank you.
Alright, so this concludes my flight review from London Heathrow to Athens on the British Airways 767-300. Yeah, I mean, it was the same plane, so a bit the same comments as my Amsterdam to Heathrow video. Always nice to fly the 767 compared to the usual 737 or A320 you'll find on this route. Yeah, the Marks and Spencers by on board. Quality was nice. A few more options would have been a little bit better. I hope with the new supplier coming very soon, I hope this has been taken into account. Next part, homebound. And I'll let you guess the route and the airline. Thank you very much. And for the ones wanting to see more actual aviation footage, come join us on Instagram. It's time to fly again with Mark. Thank you very much. Have a good day.